Hey guys, okay, oh, let me put you out, hold on. There we go. Okay, we're gonna start the house tour. There we go. So this is my entryway. I got two balls from Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna try and be steady. So this is when you walk into my house. I already did a house tour from family and friends on Facebook. All the babies had their little stuff on, but then 2 of them ripped them off. So now they're not as festive. Little brats, I tell ya. Okay, holding steady. And then let's go inside. Only Ash is the good one. This is what you walk into my house. So we have this little bear greeter. This is the library. So we have an arch when we come into our house. I'll go in the library in a second. Let me show you the new thing we got. Let me go slow. We got an entryway tree this year. So we have 5 trees in this time around, and I love it. Look at these little brats. Okay, we're gonna go in the library. We have to have gates, guys, because they like to eat the house. They're all sparkly because of the camera, but they're not. They don't actually. The lights don't actually do that. This is the library. I don't know why they're blinking like that. Do you guys know? Is it? I don't want to give anyone vertigo, so I won't stay on them too long. So these are the puppy stockings. So Dory, Ash, Anvil, and Talwin. So I got the little initials on them. They're so cute. And Gary the gargoyle. He looks over my library. Okay, then we're going to pan right. So I'm going to go slow. My working ladder. And they like to eat the house. This is the bar. So there's a fridge. This is the bar area. I only put the bottom row as Christmas cups. And then I'll show you my cutting and ironing board area. This used to be the formal dining room, but it's never been used as that, so it's my 3rd craft room. I have 5 craft rooms. This is the 3rd one. My husband built me all of that. We're not going to focus on that today, though. We're just going to see the gingerbread. I made it into a gingerbread themed area like last year. So yeah, super cute. I love it. Go slow, back up. Okay, I'll show you the kitchen next. Little brats. So we have to go through the gate. So here's the kitchen. I don't like stuff on my counters, so the counters will be empty always. I don't like it personally. So it's a little plain because of that. But I did the whole Candyland theme. You know what? I'm going to turn off the lights. Alexa, turn off kitchen lights. I'm going to turn them off for a sec. That way we can kind of see it a little bit better, I think. Yeah. And they're going to bark. But, you know, there's 4 of them, so that's what happens. And pan down. I made these. Alexa, turn on kitchen lights. Okay, so I made these. I like how pastel, or is it, yeah, it's pastel. I like it. It's so pretty. And this is the Christmas nook. There's the babies. See, that's their little things they broke. So, oops, sorry guys, they're right there. They broke them, so I left them there. And let's go here. This is the door that separates. This is my daddy bathroom. I didn't really change too much in here. It's very simple, but it's a small third bathroom. So stop. So they don't watch this with your dogs, because yeah, they'll go crazy. So here is the living room, and we put 2 trees in here this year, and I absolutely love it. So we'll get closer, you guys, if I don't trip and fall. Yeah, how weird that they blink on the camera, but they don't actually blink in real life. Or in person, I should say. Not real life, this is all real life. No. Trying to go slow. But this is the new addition. 2 trees, and I adore it. It's like Hobby Lobby blew up in my house, honestly. It's exactly what happens every year. Look at this one, she's trying to eat Talwin. Stop it. Little brats. So the puppies each got 4 stockings in here too. This is what I did, if you guys want to know. This is Hobby Lobby, and I put Dory, Ash, Anvil, and Talwin on their feet. So you just punch out a picture and put glue and stick it on there, and that way you know which stocking is theirs. So I made those. Pain in the butt. And that is it, you guys. That is it. Let me pan to the right slowly. Yep. So that, oh wait, did I show you? Yeah, did I show you the Grinch bathroom? Oh gosh, I don't know. No, I didn't show you the Grinch bathroom. Right? No. Did I? Yes, I did. Right? First? Yeah, I think I did. Or I didn't. I don't think I did. Let's go. I don't remember. Because this is the second filming I've done. Yeah, no, I didn't. I didn't with you guys yet. So these are the quilts I made. I usually fill those, but I forgot to buy stuff this year, so I'm not going to worry about it. We're not having a party, so. And you guys haven't had a room tour yet, but that's coming. This is the, I'll show you real quick. This is the second craft room. Yeah, so I'll show you that eventually. And then that's the Grinch bath. That's when you open the door. And then here's when you walk in. I'll show you this way. So you walk in, there's that. I love the tree from Trader Joe's. Go slow. Try and keep steady though. And then I made this quilt. I haven't shown it on Instagram yet. But I made this quilt for this bathroom, specifically for this bathroom. Cute. There's his face. Hopefully that'll be the screenshot. Okay guys, that's it. House tour 2023. Bye.